Yo, Mamacita.
Yes, honey.
Hey, what you doing?
Well, we're gonna release some goldfish into the pond.
Yeah, what were these things called again?
Minnows and
Minnows.
fancy goldfish.
Minnows, goldfish, and there's another one, right?
Yeah, there's some type of spotted fish.
Alright, I forget the name of the song. Well, you want to lift the bag up and we'll of one and we'll back, beast, back. Well, these here, they're minnows, right?
Yeah, little minnows. We're gonna see how they do in here.
Here, you want a knife? Yeah, what are you doing? Put her there. Just put it in the.
Oh, don't stab them. Oh, hun.
So now put that there. Rip the bag open.
Aren't we supposed to let them, like,
Yeah, just let them swim out.
let some of our water go into their water?
I don't know.
Can I have some?
Wait a minute.
Can I have some? Can I have some, Mommy? Can I have some? Can I have some?
Let them hang out.
Can I have some?
No, we're not going to hold them. We don't touch them. Fish live in water. We don't hold them. Fish don't like to be held.
But can I hold it in the pond? Can I hold it in the pond?
This is a great way to waste $20, huh?
No, Ethan, in the
Oh,
pond.
it's not even always.
Wow! You let them go.
Well, if they're not swimming out of the bag. Can't make them. Oh, there we go.
There's the first one.
Wow.
There they go.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh, they're already eating stuff. Are those worms?
Yeah, those are mosquito larvae.
Nasty.
So that's why we got these little minnows, is to help.
Where are the fishies? Where are the fishies?
Well, now they're probably near the clover.
Where?
The water actually is like 65.
Okay. Oh, hey, settle down.
Where are they?
Okay, they're somewhere
Look
in
at
there.
There's the little minnows swimming around here.
Okay, get the big ones going here. This is what Daddy spends the big bucks for.
Okay, ready?
Can we do it then?
Yeah, we're gonna put these in.
And then the island.
What did Mini Princess? What'd you name that fish again?
Go fishy.
Goldfishy.
I need a
Gotta love the simplicity.
go fishy.
We named them goldfish, huh?
That.
I think Mamacita should do the knife cutting on this one.
I don't know what to do with my knife. There it is.
How you do that, Mom?
Yeah, okay.
How you do that? How you do that? How you do that? Can I hold one?
Oh, no, you can't hold it.
You can't hold fish, honey.
You do two things. You either watch fish or you eat fish. That's it. That's all you do. Enjoy your new lives in the pond of,
Yours doesn't want to leave.
Hey, Goldie, you're swimming the wrong way.
Where are the other ones?
Well, he said that the other ones would be harder to see. There's one. See? That little one?
Hey, Goldie's cruising around here.
Yeah, the little minnows seem pretty happy.
Well, you love your anniversary present, honey?
Oh, yeah. Actually, the little goldfish
There's a right over there.
Yeah, I see. But I can never keep the dog out of the pond.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you love it, baby.
I do love it. Thank you.
Right there's Goldie.
Look at your fishy. See, they just swam by the soap. Oh, I think they're going to stay side by side, those two together. Yeah, they're following each other.
They've lived in a tank together for however long, so.
I wanted to be in a tank.
Hey, be cool. Say out.
Out.
Come on, out.
Stay out, Grumpy.
Come on, mini princess. You want Lola to say out? Huh? Oh. Hey, Mama, out.
Out.
Good thumbs. Boom.